Have you ever been deep into coding, only to be stopped in your tracks by a frustrating error message? If you've encountered the warning about Swift errors in your module, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue head-on and find a solution together. I totally get how annoying it is when you're trying to debug your app and all you see is a vague warning. It can feel like you're searching for a needle in a haystack. You're not the only one facing this challenge, and it's a common issue for many developers. Let's dive into the specifics of your situation. One user recently asked, "Why am I seeing the warning, Swift error in module XXX?" They mentioned that their app has been around since before Swift, and they recently migrated from Swift 2 to Swift 3. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this warning? It often stems from issues with bridging headers, duplicate imports, or even problems with CocoaPods. We'll break down these potential culprits step by step to help you pinpoint the issue. And stick around. I have some valuable tips at the end that could help you get more detailed error messages and improve your debugging experience. To address the warning about the Swift error in the module, the user should first ensure that the build settings are correctly configured. This includes checking the Swift language version in the project settings. Next, the user should clean the build folder. This can help resolve issues related to cached data that might be causing the debugger to fail. After cleaning the build folder, the user should check for any duplicate imports in the bridging header. Having duplicate imports can lead to conflicts that affect debugging. If the issue persists, the user can try resetting the Xcode-derived data. This can help clear out any corrupted files that might be causing the debugger to malfunction. Finally, if the user still encounters issues, they can enable more detailed logging in Xcode. This can provide additional insights into what might be going wrong. Fun fact, did you know that Swift was introduced in 2014? It has quickly become one of the most popular programming languages for iOS development. But even the best languages have their quirks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user encountered a similar issue and found a solution. They suggest that when importing Objective-C libraries via CocoaPods, you should use specific import statements. First, import the system frameworks, then directly import your Objective-C files, and finally use the @import syntax for CocoaPods. For more details, the user references a GitHub issue and a Stack Overflow question that discuss similar debugging problems with Objective-C frameworks. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your dependencies updated and regularly check for duplicate imports. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to tackle that Swift error warning and get back to coding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.